Welcome to CampLife Spring Feature Release. We're excited to spend a little bit of time with you, our campground owners and managers, and we'd like to start by thanking you for being the smiling face welcoming guests to your park. We both know that, love them as we may, guests come along with work. So at CampLife, we've been at work to develop some new features and some upgraded features that will hopefully take a little bit of that work off of your plate. If you're tired of spending countless hours trying to reconcile credit card transactions with payment processor distributions, or you'd rather not be tethered to your office phone to take reservation edits, or you're just realizing that managing events and activities in your park is a labor-intensive process, well, CampLife has tools to help. Let's get started. First, we'd like to reintroduce you to CampLife Pay.
Does your payment processor get in the way of your business? It's a struggle to reconcile mismatched data. Getting the answers you need to manage your business or resolve chargebacks can be almost impossible. And the hidden fees don't get us started. You deserve a better payment processing solution. That's why we created CampLife Pay, a PCI-compliant, integrated payment processing service that eliminates the need for an external processor. That means payments, sales transactions, accounting, and reporting all happen within CampLife. Managing everything in one place streamlines bank reconciliations, making it easier to see exactly where payments come from. No more guesswork. And even better, our award-winning customer success team answers all your payment questions with the same quality you've come to expect from CampLife. Set up CampLife Pay and start reclaiming your business.
Hi, I'm Tyler Duffy, CampLife's co-founder and president. My wife Jackie and I started CampLife back in 2006 because we wanted to offer campground owners a flexible, rules-based system to specifically meet their needs. During our time as full-time RVers, we saw firsthand how understaffed or remote parks often lost revenue from campers who occupied sites without paying all or sometimes any park fees. We knew we could help. So we've been working with our team ever since to design solutions that are tailor-made to the camping industry. Today, I'm excited to talk about the latest leap forward, specifically updates to CampLife Pay, our credit card processor. The journey into payment processing was sparked by a clear need to offer our parks a way to manage and reconcile their payment data from Hub. It's been a worthwhile journey, but it hasn't been without its bumps along the road. Now I'm happy to announce that as part of the spring feature release, we've directly tackled many of the challenges that have frustrated us. Here's what we're rolling out. The ability to auto-reconcile your credit cards to your bank account. This will include huge benefits for disbursement reporting. We've also got improvements to the dashboard so you can monitor your park's performance in real time with the payment dashboards. However, the most important update is we have huge updates coming for the card present solution for both US and Canada. We know this has been a long wait, and we want to extend our sincerest thank you for your patience and trust in us. Today, we're happy to present CampLife Pay as our most efficient, one-stop solution designed to streamline your park operations. For those interested in taking advantage of these updates and signing up for CampLife Pay, reach out to our customer success team. And remember, with CampLife Pay, if you encounter any issues, it's our customer success team you'll be in contact with. So no super long waits with that boring elevator music. We're here to support you, to help your park thrive, and to ensure things run as smoothly as possible. Thank you for being part of the CampLife community.
Let's fast forward a little bit. It's camping season, and you're taking payments seamlessly. Now you actually have time to enjoy your guests. But there's still something that's keeping you tethered to your phone. That's taking guest reservation edits. So, meet Guest Edits. Now you have the opportunity to choose to let your guests edit their own reservations through a guest portal. And an opportunity to save yourself from another phone call. To walk us through this feature, here's Justin, CampLife's lead user experience architect.
All right, let's take this feature for a test drive. As you can see, I'm on my online guest profile. I have a reservation for Normandy Farms Campground for the 25th through the 30th for site number 11. And now with this new feature, if it's enabled at your park, will allow a guest to edit that reservation at any time. So you can see here, I got my arrival and departure dates and the site that was selected. So let's say I wanted to extend my stay by a couple nights. It's going to calculate the new balance that would be due. If I wanted to check out early, it's also going to calculate the new balance there. And if there was any credit, that would be refunded to the card on file. And let's say I just wanted to change my site. Maybe there isn't a change in balance at all. I just wanted to switch to site 8 because it's got some better shade. So you can see here, I've got a balance of $0 and I can make that change. And it's as simple as that. So that's reservation guest edits from the online guest profile. And I'll move it over to Todd.
Hey, everybody. Last year, we released Events and Activities Management to help you keep track of attendees for events and activities that your park hosts. We've been listening to feedback and working on a couple of additions to this feature. Let's take a look.
This feature allowed you to see availability fill up in real time, spread the word about upcoming events on a built-in calendar, and communicate with your guests seamlessly. But that didn't speed up things at the event itself. So to make confirmation a breeze, we've added QR code scanning. Now you can use CampLife's Events and Activities feature to scan codes in guest confirmation emails. And we've also created a dedicated Events and Activities dashboard so you and your staff can monitor events without sorting through every transaction. Let's take a look at that. So this new scheduled events dashboard will show up alongside your other dashboards. It has several features built into it. It will show you a rundown of all the events that are happening on that day. And you can expand each event individually to show which guests are signed up for that event, who have purchased tickets to attend that event. And then additionally, I've been fortunate enough to get a ticket to this nearly sold out, or this completely sold out event. You can see under this progress bar here, you can see a status of all of the tickets for that event. You can see for this event, 168 have been claimed or checked in at the event itself. 32 have been purchased but have not been checked in yet. That's me. I'm late to attend this concert. And there's no tickets left for sale. All of them have been purchased that have been allocated to this event. So let's see if we can check me in here at the Dolly Parton concert. I'll go ahead and click the Scan QR Codes button, and then I'm going to hold up to my camera the QR code in my email. And you can see that now that has been held up to the camera, my status has changed from being unclaimed to being claimed. And the numbers here have been updated to show that one more person is at the event venue and will be attending the concert in real time. So hopefully this dashboard will help your event coordinators make things go as smoothly as possible on the day of the event itself.
But none of this matters if you don't have guests coming to your park. And let's be real, guests want to search by location, not by region. So it was time for an update to our search process on the CampLife Marketplace. That's why we made improvements to help get your park discovered by more campers. With nearly 40% of stays booked on CampLife discovered on camplife.com, CampLife's Marketplace is a great way to tap into online searches for free. This is the most cost-effective way to get discovered by new guests. We just made it easier, and it's the beginning of more things to come. Thanks for joining us today to celebrate a new camping season with tools that simplify your life. Be sure to review all of our features at software.camplife.com/features to make sure that you're maximizing your use of CampLife software. If you'd like to get set up to run any of the features that we learned about today, reach out to customer success and they'll be happy to get you set up. If you're new to CampLife, welcome. We invite you to schedule a free demo. We'll give you a tour of the software and answer any questions that you have to see if CampLife is the most comfortable fit for your park. Best wishes, your friends at CampLife.